So there's a whole series of sort of technology challenges to teams being productive. It's going to be difficult for any company to resist the pressure that's going to be put on them from Gen Z coming into the workforce and just expecting the experience to be different.
I think if we understand that they're not amazed by technology, they don't think technology is awe-inspiring and awesome, because to them, technology just feels like Wednesday. It's just normal. But they want the right tools and the right productivity at the right time, and they'll just freely use them.
I may not be the best at filling out an Excel spreadsheet for my company in P&L, but a robot can. Like, if I can give that away to something that I trust, and then I'm more valuable to myself, my clients, my company, all of that.
Technology affects the culture that we have in the workforce, and the culture really drives the technology choices that we make. More often, we have to think about how the technology enables companies to be more collaborative, to be more focused on co-creation. At Microsoft, AI has to manifest in a way that assists the user and helps them get their job done.
Security, privacy, and IP control will be a really big issue, especially personal assistants and how much data they're managing.
Ultimately, you need to ask yourself that. Are you optimizing just for productivity and efficiency? Are you optimizing for privacy? Are you optimizing for culture? And that pushes organizations to have a conversation about what they value.
Instead of just sitting here and passively worrying about what's gonna happen when AI comes and how it's gonna take out all the jobs, somebody's gonna have to figure it out. Like, we have years to do it, and we're the young demographic. So I think we're the perfect people to at least get a start on it.